Hello everyone. So I'm here from outside in the place of Baywalk City of Naga, Cebu. So I'm here to I'm tour from these places, very beautiful places by destinations in Baywalk City of Naga. So it means these are wonderful, beautiful places and etc. So we're here from this analyze of these games in Sherha Masters 2025 round number 4. So it means so to analyze of these games. So the first games or after the first games without second game. So it means the first game from this one and also between from this teammate from China. So it means Grandmaster Su Xiangyu from this China. And so it means ratings 2623. So it means Grandmaster is from this one. And versus by Grandmaster in China, Zhu Zhener from this one. So it means teammate from China from this one. So after the first game, the next second game, and also from this Grandmaster from this Renat. So it is Renat from Azerbaijan versus International Master India Divya Deshmukh. So it means I will I will analyze by two games from this analyze of these games here. So in today's round number 4 in this day 4, so it means long game 1 hour and 30 minutes from this chess clock. So it means round Rubin. So in today's round 4 in this part of this video, you have analyzed here of these chess games in this Sherha Masters round number 4. So white plays Zhu is d4, knight f6 by Zhu, c4, e6, so it means it's Indian defense by Indian's game, and bishop to f4, so it means these are the main line is also knight to c3 and also e3. So these are two main lines here. So Zhu, bishop f4 by Zhu, and d5 by Zhu without captured, so it means without threat by pawns by c4. Capture this pawn, knight takes d5. So it means knight takes d5 here. So it means so used by capture this pawn. So it means these are captured by pawns here from this one. So Zhu, knight takes captured, and without knight takes captured here, so it means without threats by bishop. The threatening by bishops here, and bishop to g3 without backwards, c5 by Zhu. So these are the c5 without pawns here, and e4. So it means e4 without threats by knights. Knight f6. Or maybe these are moved without white pieces without forward, e5 threat by knights. So it means these are the dangerous. Knight d2 and knight to c6 without threatening by pawns. So without threats here, threatening by pawns or maybe capture targets, and without queen. So these are the triples. Let's go triples here. Captured, bishop takes captured. So it means these are the captureds here. And e5 without pushes, threat by knights. Knight d5 without movement, without use by forwards, knight to b6. So it means knight to b6 here without develops here from this one. And also a3. So it means without a3, no more by bishop to b4 from this one. And castle kingside by Zhu, knight gf3 by Zhu. So it means without movement or without move by knight to here, knight to d4, without threat by knights, without controls, develops here from this one. Knight d4. So it means without good precise by Zhu. So it means without ready by captured. Bishop d3 by Zhu. So it means without use by xu Zhu from this word from this one. So why don't we capture knight takes captured here from this one, and decided bishop takes knight with idea to movement by threat by targets by pawns without the development here from this one, and rook to b1. So these are good, slightly better whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is bishop to d3 and decided knight f5. So it means knight f5 here. So what do you think if you capture this one? If your knight takes captured here and also knight takes captured. So these are the realized here from this one. So these are the examples. So back there is knight f5 by Zhu here and queen e2 and bishop to e7 by Zhu, so it means without backwards, castle kingside by Zhou from this one, and h5 by Zhu with the strongest move here, capture this bishop, pawn takes bishop, and h3 without good decisions here, or decided by used by bishop to h2 backwards without good idea by Zhu here. Bishop to e6 by Zhu, knight b3, so it means these are novelty by Zhou from these games. So it means according by chess.com database. So these are the old main lines here. So it means old main lines is bishop to backwards h2 or maybe rook fc1. So it means good novelty here. So new novelty, knight b3 without move here, or simple without move by rook to fc1 without before to knight c5, so without knight c5 here without determinations, and h4 by Zhu, threat by bishop backwards h2, queen b6 threatening by knights, knight bd4 without threat by bishops, and a6 here, queen d2 without move by queen d2 by Zhou, rook fd8 without good precise by Zhu, without queen by queens or development here from this one, and rook fd1 without behinds by queens and rooks here, rook d7 by Zhu without good decisions by Zhu, without upcoming by battery by here without rooks here, and knight takes bishop, pawn takes knight, and bishop to f4, and battery good move, so it means battery by Zhu, bishop to g5 without to bishop, knight f6. So what do you think if you capture this bishop takes captured threatening queens here, and queen takes bishop? So these are the good examples here from this one. So back there is knight f6 by Zhu, queen e2 without go backs, or it's called dancing, I don't know dancing here, and another good move, rook takes capture, decided accept, rook takes check, queen takes d1, and another good move again, so it means knight e4, so it means nice shot by Zhu, so it means another good move by Zhu from this one, and bishop to e3. I'm sorry, I forgot my something. So these are the knight e4, so it means these are the knight e4 by here and queens. So these are the problems without queen, without threat by here, threatening by without targets by pawns, or maybe without check, and also decided is one is threats by b2, so it means without doubles or maybe without targets here from this one. So it means these are the queens or knights, or threatening by here without check, or maybe decided knight captured, or maybe without targets by bishop here. So it means so let's continue. Bishop to e3, threat by queens, and queen takes captured, so it means without captured here, and queen d7 threats by bishop, and king to f7 without develops here, or bishop to king, and a4 by Zhou, and good move f4, good move by Zhu here from this one with threats by bishop, and bishop takes captured, so it means these are marked bad move by Zhu. So it means so the best moves there is one accepted is bishop to a7. So these are the continuations here from this one. So these are the continuation. So back there is bishop takes f4 and queen takes f2 check. So it means Brand X move by Zhu. So the best moves there is queen b1 check. So it means queen b1 check if you move by king to h2 here from this one, and knight takes captured without threatening by mating net. These are the pawns, knights here, or queens. So these are the development. If you move by here, g4, and queen takes mating net. So it means queen h1 mating net. So it means lose by whites. Wins for what? I mean lose from white. So it means wins for black from this one. So it means develops here. So I'm sorry I forgot something here. So back there is queen takes f2 check, and also good move queen h2, good move by Zhu. So it means Zhu. I'm sorry, I forgot wrong the name. Zhu. So it means king h2. So it means king h2, good move by Zhu. So it means Zhu here. So it means Zhu by boy and Zhu by girl. So it means determination. So it means king h2, good move by Zhu from this one, and g5 threatening by bishops here, and queen takes b7 sacrifice. So it means without sacrifice, or maybe without pawn threats by bishop, and the next this one is threats by knights here. Threatening here from this one, and pawn takes bishop here, and queen takes knight. So it means queen to queen and knights to bishop. So these are the controls here, developments here from this one, and also queen e3, good move by Zhu without queen to queen, and avoided queen c4. So it means, so what do you think if you capture this one? Queen takes accepted and pawn takes. So upcoming here promotes. So I don't know thinking from this one. So we decided here from this one. So back there is queen c4 here, and a5 without move by here by Zhu. Queen c7 by Zhou, threatening by bishop, and also threatening, sorry, so it means without queen c7 threatening by pawns, or so it means threat by pawns by a5. So I'm sorry, I got very very confused my brains here. So these are the problems, the refreshing here from this outside. So it means let's continue queen c7 here, and good move is queen to c5, good move by Zhu without queen to queen, and so Zhou accepted queen takes, bishop takes. So it means bishop versus knight. So it means these are the determinations here, and knight takes h4, and good move, another good move, bishop f2 by Zhu, another good move by Zhu here, knight f3, and good move again, king g6 by Zhu, h4 by Zhou, and king f5. So it means bad move by Zhu. So the best moves there is king to wait up. So it means, so the best moves there is king to h5. So it means king to h5 here from this one. So it means king to h5. So back there is one is king f5 here, and also king h3, bishop c5 here, and also h5 by Zhou, bishop to f8 without stop by here by h6 here, knight d4 check, and king takes captured, knight b3 threat by pawns. So it means king f5, knight takes captured. So it means these are 3 versus 2. So it means determinations, and e5, knight b3. So it means bad move by Zhu. So it means, so the best moves there is one is knight to so the best moves there is knight to c4. So it means knight to c4 here. So it means knight to c4 without movement here from this one. See this, so these are the, so it means controls, or maybe time controls here from this one. So back there is one is Knight b3 here by Zo, and bishop to d6, so without defense, so the best moves there is one is bishop to g7, defense by pawns. So without defense here, so it means defense. So back there is, so it means bishop to d6, bad move by Zhu. So it means bad move without Zhu here, and a5 here without ready by pushes by here, or ready by push by g6 and g7, determination controls here from this one, and king to g5 without threats by pawns here, and a6 without push, bishop to bishop to b6 b8, so it means bishop to b8 here, and h6, so it means these are h6 is bad move, another bad move by Zo, so it means these are bad move here. So it means bad move. So the best moves there, is g4. So it means g4 here if you emphasize captured, and also king takes g3 and king takes captured. So it means these are determinations from this one. So back there is h6 here, capture this king, king g4, and e4 without doubles here. Knight c5, good move by Zo, and f3 captured, and e3, so it means without pushes. Oh my god, this upcoming here, push or promotes queen without develops here. So what do you think if you capture this pawn and king takes captured? So it means no more here, one pawn down, without one pawn down here from this one. So back there is a3 here, and f4, so it means f4 here, so it means f4, and bishop to a7, knight d3, king g6, and knight to b4, king f6, good move, king f3, king f5, knight c2, good move, so threatening by pawns, and push e2, knight e1, bishop to b6 here. So it means bishop to b6, so it means bishop to b6 and knight to d3, so it means bishop d4, captured, so it means no more pawns by Zhu, so it means two pawns by Zo from this one, and king a4, so it means king a4, and king to d2, king d5, so it means f5, f5 here, king c6, good move, so it means knight b4 check, good move, and so it means these are the moves here. Knight, threat knights, captured, one pawn down by Zo, without threat, pushes, coming here, upcoming queen, without upcoming queens, defense with stop by without promotes. There's our the fast scan. Check. There threat knights here. Check again. Coming. So it means that's where it's taking me. Oh. So it means these are repeating. It's called dancing move. So it means dancing move here, and knight to d3, threat by bishops here. Without bishop to a3, so it means bishop to a3. So it means dancing move. So it means these are same draw. So it means another again agree draw from round number 4. So it means draw. So it means enough here from this one. So the score accuracy 89.4 by Zo, and the black score by accuracy by Zhu is 19.4. So the winner from score accuracy, black pieces, Grandmaster Zhu Jr. from this one. So it means after first game, the next second game from this one. So the next second game without Azerbaijan versus the India. So next game. So it means next second game. So let's see. So the next second games here is from this one, and also I've analyzed of this game. So it means second game. So and also between from this grandmaster in Kazakhstan is Renat Chumabayev versus international master in India Divya Deshmukh from this one. So it means in this part of this second games here, in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this second game. So white plays Renat is knight f3, knight f6 by Deshmukh, g3, d5, bishop g2. So it means by upcoming castling by Renat from this one. E6 here, so it means it's called Yugoslav variation from this one. Castle kingside by Renat, bishop e7, so it means upcoming castling by Deshmukh. So these are determinations here from this one, castling. C4, so it means sacrifice, so it means sacrifice by Renat here. Castle kingside by Deshmukh, and d4, and also a5, so it means. So what do you think if you capture this? Also d takes c4 here from this one, and also b3, so it means if you capture this pawns here and queen takes captured, so it means these are the examples here from this one. So back there is a5 by Deshmukh, queen c2 by Renat, knight c6 without move developments here, or maybe without move by knight to b4 without threats by queens, so it is without determinations here from this one. And also a3, no more by knight to b4 or bishop to b4. Capture this pawn, queen takes captured, and push a4, so it means without pushes here. So it means these are the continuations from these determinations. Bishop f4, so it means without determinations. Bishop d7 without doubles, and knight to c3 by Renat, so it means these are the continuations. Or maybe without move by knight to c5 without threats here, without targets, or maybe without threats by pawns, so it means without doubles here. And also knight a5 by Deshmukh, threatening by neutralized by queens, queen d3, knight d5 without movement, or maybe without threats by knights or threatening by bishop. So these are the controls determinations here from this one. And also knight e5, so it means knight e5 without threats by bishops here from this one. And knight takes captured, so it means these are novelty by Deshmukh. So these are the old mainline here, so it means captured. So it is captured by knights, and also bishop backwards e8. So it means bishop backwards e8. So it means bishop backwards e8 here from this one. So it means, so I'm sorry, I got noisy from these airplanes. So new novelty, knight takes captured without threats by here, threatening by queens. So these are novelty, new novelty here from this one. And capture this pawn, bishop d6 threats by knights, knight takes bishop, queen takes, so it means determinations here. And also e3, rook a d8, so it means without movement. Knight e4 with the threats by bishop, bishop e7 backwards, rook a d1 without behind the queens, and d5 without strongest move by Deshmukh, queen c2, so it means with the idea to move without diagonals backwards, and rook fd8 without developed by queens here, rook d3, and also b4, so with the idea to move by here to b3 threat by queens or threatening by pawns, so it means without pawns here from this one. And also capture this pawn, rook takes b4, rook c3, and bishop to d6, so it means these are bad move by Deshmukh here from this one. So the best moves there is battery rook to db8, so it means without battery. So back there is bishop to d6, knight c5 threatening by queens here, queen b5 without doubles, or with idea to threats by pawns or threats threatening by queens. So these are the rooks here. So these are determinations. And also rook b1 without defense here, and bishop takes captured, another bad move by Deshmukh. So the best moves there is one is pawn to h6, so it means pawn to h6 here on this one. So back there is bishop takes c5 and rook takes captured, threatening by queens here, and queen b6 here captured this rook. Rook takes c7 without determinations, and g6 here, rook c1, so it means without go back, or maybe without move by rook c1, knight b3 threatening by rooks, and rook d1, and go back knight a5, so it means without movement here. Rook c5, so it means a bad move by Renat. So the best moves there is rook to b1, again go back, so it means rook b1 without go back here. Or maybe here is the best moves is rook to d2, so it means rook to d2 here, so it means without determinations here, so it means rook d2. So I forgot something this one, so it means, so brain thinkings here from this one, so it means rook d2 are best moves here. So back there is rook c5 here, and knight b7 without threats by rooks here, rook c6 without threats by queens, queen b5, bishop to f1 threatening by queens, queen f5 without queen to queen, and rook e1 threatening by pawns, knight d6, so it means why don't we capture this queen takes captured, and rook takes captured. So these are determinations here from without good examples here from this one. So back there is one is knight d6 here, and also queen takes captured without queen to queen, so it means another bad move by Renat. So it means another bad move. So the best moves there is queen to c3 here. So these are the nice shot evaluation bar from this one. So it means evaluation bar. So back there is one queen takes queen to queens, pawn takes, so it means X move by Deshmukh. So the best moves there is knight takes queen, so it means knight takes f5 here. So back there is g takes f5, rook c2 without defense, so it means X, another X move by Renat, so it means X move. So the best moves there is rook to b1 defense by pawns, so it means without defense, or maybe without defense here from this one. So back there is rook c2 and battery rook db8 without battery here, rook a2 without second rank, or maybe without defense here, king g7, h3, king f6, king g2, and rook to b3 without movement here, bishop to e2, knight e4, so it means without movement here, so determinations, and bishop to f3 threatening by knights, and h6, so it means bad move by Deshmukh, so it means question mark. So the best moves there is knight to d6, so it means without knight to d6 here from this one. So back there is h6 here, rook takes captured, rook takes, and captured, bishop takes, good move by Renat, pawn takes bishop, rook e5, king g6, and rook to e5, rook b6 here, and capture this pawn, so it means determinations. Pawn f6 without targets by push f5, or threatening by rooks here without targets here, and f5 check, good move by Renat, king takes captured, and king rook g4, e5, and d5 without push, so it means another bad move by Renat. So the best moves there is capture this pawn, captured. So it means captured here. So it means back there is d5 by push, and e4 good move by dash move, rook h4, king e5, rook takes captured, king takes captured, and h4, and king e5 without determinations, rook g6, rook b8 here, and rook g3, rook h8 threatening by pawns, and king h3 without develops, and f5 here, rook g6, and rook h7 good move by dash move, rook a6 without move by check or without check by kings here from this one, and also rook h8, rook b6. So why don't we try check? So what do you think if you check here and king to f6 without determinations here from this one? So back there is rook b6 here, and also rook h7, rook b8, and king f6, rook a8, and king e5, rook a1, rook h8, and rook b1, rook h7, and dancing move by rook without dancing by move by rook, rook h8, rook g5, and king f6, king g3, and dancing move rook h7, and rook g8, oh, king e5, rook c8, check, king h3, and go back, dancing move by here without blocks, check again, king f6, rook c1, king e5, and rook h1 without determinations, and king f6 and king g2, oh, king g6 and king g3, dancing move by kings, and king f6 dancing, king f4, rook h5, rook h2, and good move king e6, f3, captured, king takes, king e5, rook h1, and dancing king e6, king g3, king e5, rook a1 without move by check or kings without checks here, without checking here from this one, determinations here, and king e4, king f2, rook h8, check, and king e5, king f3, rook h7, rook b4, rook h8, king g3, check, king f2, rook h8, threat pawns, oh, rook f4, and rook h7 without, so it means dancing, I don't know dancing the moves here, king g2, check, king h3, and go back, dancing, rook a4, rook h8, rook b4, rook h7, rook b8 without move by check, without checks here from this one, without movement, king e4, check, king f3, rook e5 threatening by pawns, rook h5 without develops, rook e7, rook h8, rook e6, rook h7, rook e8, rook h6, and rook f8 without, so it means dancing by rooks and kings and pawns, so it means 2 versus 1, rook h5. So what do you think if you capture this one? King takes captured and rook takes captured, so it means without 1 pawn down, so it means for white, so it means rook h5, rook e8, rook h7, rook e5, rook h5, so it means dancing move, e4, king f4, captured, pawn takes, captured, and h5, king g5, and h6, and captured, so it means again by draw by here in this second game, so it means draw, so it means these are the same score, so it means we also have a tie, so it means tie here. So the time clocks here, so it means white pieces 3 minutes by Grandmaster Rinat Chumabayev and 10 minutes by Divya Deshmukh from this one. So it means, so I'm very tired, my brains here from this one. So it means, so how many moves? 104 moves by second game. So it means 104 moves from this one. So it means draw by second game from this one. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka Aiku Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep update of this next chess update. So it means next of this round number 5. So I will analyze of this soon here from this one. So thank you so much here from this one. Have a good day and goodbye.